Hello guys, welcome back to Zach Animate Studios. Creativity one step at a time. So guys, today I'm just going to be teaching one of the skills that I have acquired, and it's easy for you to have this skill and it might take you somewhere. So guys, what we are going to do is called UV unwrapping and projecting images to objects that you're having. As you can see, this is a cube. It has my logo, and you can see we have an image on the other side, and we want to project that image to these faces. First and foremost, there are two skills that you have to learn. You have to learn to grab. There is how to grab, that is you click G and then you need to scale it. But before even we go further than that, let's just get this face, this face. So I'm just going to do it on one. So first of all, you're going to change into edit mode, and then you're going to select face. So this is the face. As you can see, this is the face. On the other side, I have split my screen, and I'm going to set it to the center, and then I'm going to scale it. Okay, so as I scale to the end, and then I can grab it so that it can fit that space. You can see when I move around, you can see that image has been correctly projected on the other side. Another way is, now this is the other side that we need to project that image on this side. So we are going to go that side, and then we are going to, that is that side, and then we are going, this is the UV project, and then I'm just going to do scaling, and then you can see that image has been scaled correctly on that image. So nimeanzia mwisho. Let's get started. So we are going to have a cube, new cube, general. I'm not going to save it, don't save it. So what you're going to do, you're going to switch just like that, and then you're going to have those are the two cubes. So you have two views. What you're going to do, you're going to go to material on the principal base color. Here you're going to change to image texture. So image texture, you're going to select the image that you're going to have. So I'm going to my pictures there. I can use any image right now. I can use the North Africa, but now I'm going just to pick my logo. That is my logo. As you can see, when you do that, there is no image that is being projected, so you have to change to material mode. As you can see, that image is not correctly aligned. So what you're going to do is, now we are going to UV unwrap, but the best way is just this way. So I'm going to change this side to UV editor. Okay, that is the UV editor of that image. So what we're going to do is we are going to change to edit mode. Okay, that is edit mode. As you can see, that image is too big. So what you're going to do, you're going to select the face. Okay, so I'm taking this face. Now that face, I'm going to scale it. So there are two factors that you're going to look into. There is the grabbing. You click on G, that is G, but now you have to grab the face. Let me escape that first. You need to grab the face. So here you're going to change first the face. These are the face, this is the vertex, this is the edge. Okay, so those are the skills that you have to understand. So I'm going to get that, this is the face, and then I'm going to scale. You just scale until it is correctly positioned, and then you grab it, you move it to the center, you scale it again. As you can see, that face has been scaled correctly. Okay, so like that, this part that is outside that image, this is a free, this place is not going to be rendered. So just grab again, and then you ensure that it is correctly placed like that. You're going to select the next face like that on that side. That is the top side. You see, that is the top side. If you grab and you move around, grab, you take that, and then you grab, you can see where you want that image to face. So you take scale, and then you scale it. You scale like that. You grab, you move it to the center, you scale it. Okay, so you can see you have two faces. So remember, like follow us for these tutorials, guys. Zack Animate Studios, creativity one step at a time. And please follow us on our YouTube channel. It is Zack Animate Studios, so that you can get these amazing skills. Zack Animate Studios, creativity one step at a time. So subscribe, share and follow for these amazing tips and tricks. Zack Animate Studios, creativity one step at a time. Let's meet on our YouTube channel. Peace.